Hello boys and girls, welcome to Abhivyakti channel. This time Murthy's Creations has come up with series of models of human parts. So today we are going to see the human digestive system. Eating is one of the tasks we do every day because the food we eat gives us energy and helps us to grow and also to be healthy. So let us see what happens when we eat food. We consume food from the mouth, and when food enters the mouth, with the help of the teeth, food is crushed into smaller pieces. Teeth helps to make the food soft and mushy, and the food travels. And when we gulp the food, food travels inside a tube called esophagus, and food reaches the stomach region. There are juices in stomach which helps in even furthermore mushing up the food. Then the mushed up food leaves the stomach to enter the small intestine. So there are two types of intestine, small intestine and large intestine. Both are long coiled tubes. Once the food is processed through the small intestine, it goes through the large intestine. And in the intestines, the useful food particles are absorbed and sent to the other parts of the body. The useful food particles are sent to the different parts of the body. And in the large intestine, the water is taken out of the food, and the waste solid stuff is pushed from the large intestine into the rectum, and it comes out of anus as stool. It takes almost a day for the food to be processed, digested, and to come out of as a stool from our body. So let us understand a little bit more about the waste from our body. So stool is one form of waste. The other form of waste is urine. Peeing is the body's way of flushing out the waste that is built inside the body. So when we eat food, we need to ensure we include varieties of food in our diet like milk, egg, vegetables, fruits, pulses, rice, etc. The different varieties of food gives us different nutritions like calcium, carbohydrates, protein, fat, etc. It's always good to eat the fresh food, freshly cooked food, and avoid junk to be very healthy. Eating lot of sweets or oily food or junk food makes us sleepy because these food are very heavy and our body puts all our energies into digesting this food. That is why we feel sleepy after eating a heavy meal or very oily food or sweets. I hope you enjoyed this video and stay tuned for more such videos. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye. Signing off, Anita Nadig.